Say it with me, friends. We listen and we don't judge. That's going to be the theme of this video. You're going to watch and you're going to want to judge, and you can silently and not in my comment section, because this is the car clean that I have been waiting for, and I know a few of you have also been waiting for. So welcome to that. Now, I have to preface this video with, there are a lot of times where I live in my car for a week because I am going in and out of dog sitting, and it's just a little bit insane, okay? And I own horses, okay? Keep that in mind. And my sister has 4 poodles, and I have a tiny rat terrier who run at the barn with the horses. So they get very dusty, very dirty. My car gets very dusty from the dirt road that we drive on to get to the horses. All of this will make more sense when I show you my car, because it is not only full of stuff, but it is pretty dusty and dirty. I clean my car out at least 3 times a year. Okay, and it is literally like this every single time I clean it out. And I mean a big clean out 3 times a year. I clean the trash out more frequently than that. And I went camping over the summer last year, actually the fall. Yeah, the fall. And I honestly didn't really clean my car out that well from that camping trip. I have a lot of stuff from that camping trip still in here, okay? Okay. This is what the car is looking like, okay? Please remember, we listen and we watch and we don't judge. Before I stop talking and start working, this is going to be a 2-day thing. I know, because it's already almost 5 o'clock. I've got about 45 minutes. You think that is plenty of time to clean a car? You just saw what we're working with. That is not plenty of time to clean a car. So no, it will take 2 days. So I don't know if this will be 2 parts or if it'll be just one really long video. We'll see what future Libby decides. Without further ado, I always start with the trash up front because it's always full of trash. So I have got 2 Aldi's bags for clothing and stuff like that, because it's always full of clothing. I have a donate bag and a trash bag that I brought from the house. And I have got some cleaning supplies from my sister's house, which is where I'm at. I'm parked in her yard, which is why it's going to be blurred, so you can't see where she lives for safety reasons. So without further ado, let's get to dumping some trash. This was clean not even 3 weeks ago. I don't know what to tell you. I'm sorry. Ew. Well, that's a piece of my car, isn't it? Okay, we'll find where that goes, I guess. Oy, oy, oy. I got 2 new CDs recently, Elton John. and train. I only know one song on this CD. And I also got the best of cars. Okay, so clearly that's absolutely disgusting, right? Right. This is Kylo's dog mat, but it's there because that's the glass from when my window got broken into. I haven't vacuumed it yet, so I just put that on top of it. So that's an air compressor because one of my tires goes flat constantly. This is stuff that needs to go in my house. So I brought the Aldi's bags because I know I always have stuff to take in the house. Kylo's jacket. This is a bag of clothes from when I dog sat. A cup and a cup. Honestly, that's not that bad for just the front seat. Perfect. This goes to my mom, and these are my sisters. Front seat is done. Perfect. My sister's also cleaning her car while I'm cleaning mine, and she found one of Kelly's clothes. So it's going to be the first one to go in the donate bag. And it's clean. It's just a little dusty, but it's clean. Okay, let's move on to getting the crap out of the back. So this is always a lot of clothes and a lot of Kelly's trash. Oh gosh. This pillow needs to go to the house. Honestly, my goal is just to get like this middle part cleaned out today, and we can worry about the back part tomorrow, hopefully. So, like, this is Kelly's bag. This is the pillow that goes to Kylo's stuff right here. All right. I know that, oh look, another trash bag that we can use for back here alone. I already know some of the comments I'm gonna get about the car. I get it, okay? It's gross, it's disgusting. I know that. I'm well aware. This is, no, that's terrible. These are clothes that need washed. This is Kylo's car blanket, so that stays in here. Could it use a wash? Absolutely. Absolutely, it could. This is just stuff that needs to go to the house. Oh, more clothes, more clothes. This is a carpet from when we went camping. I used it. So, I think this also needs to go to the house. Or maybe I could use it in here to help like protect the floors from all the dirt and stuff. This is Kylo's leash. Ah, I asked the child where his soccer bag was. In here, completely dumped out. I can't expect him or like hold him to a higher standard when my car looks like this. You know what I mean? Like I can't get mad at him for leaving stuff in here when I'm not a very good example. So this is my winter coat, and the zipper decided to snap. It's kind of the only winter coat I have right now because I just haven't cared to buy a new one because we've had such a warm winter, which I'm not happy about. Just if this face didn't give it away, I'm terrified. Hashtag we're cooked. Kelly's hat needs to go to the house. This is Kylo's training bag that I should probably repack and put in the house. I am so sore. Lauren and I did like a huge pasture walk today at the barn. And like I did like lunges and stuff up the side of the hill, and oh my gosh, my legs are just really tired. So. Huh? Making you a pile right here. Thank you. Ibuprofen. This is my cart. Ibuprofen. I don't know how it got back here, but that goes up there. I don't even know what this is, child. His sunglasses go right here. This hat. Oy, oy, oy. This child. Ugh. It's so frustrating. And it's like, there's always this many of his clothes in here, and I don't know why. I will never be able to find out why all of these clothes get in here. Again, I'm not a good example though, so what can I say? Okay. It's getting there, right? This is a giant blow-up chair that we took with us camping. I'm gonna donate it. I have no space for this in my life. It really didn't work well when camping. I probably shouldn't have purchased it, but I'm gonna donate it. It was also only like $10, so I'm not super sad about it. But still, it doesn't need to take up space in the car. Okay, that's the side I was just on. Clearly needs a great vacuum. But most of the big stuff is up, right? Oh, those are all napkins. Okay, and then when you look down here, oh my God. Oh, good heavens. I sound like Bob from Bob's Burgers. Oh my God. Oh my God. Okay, yep. See, like this, like, ew. See all that dirt in there? Just gets tracked in from the barn. Oh, it's a nice stylus. I think that's probably my mother's. Okay, those boots stay in here. We're just gonna leave all that, okay? We're not worried about that tonight. Okay, let's get the rest of this junk. And I need to wipe down the front. Like, that's all trash. This on this corner here, trash. This is trash because it's completely broken. And then, of course, you can always tell which side the child sits on. Let's see what's under there. Perfectly gross. Ew. Let's talk about what we've got real quick. I need to put that stuff in Aldi bags, and then we're gonna try to wipe things down quickly before I lose all of my daylight. Okay, so from this front seat and that back seat, this is what we have to take in the house. Laundry, stuff. And no, none of it's stuff I can get rid of or declutter. This is our donate bag from the car. these 2 bags, that's Kelly's soccer bag. I put his shoes in there. I need to see which ones fit. I think 2 pairs don't fit, but I don't want to donate them until I know. So he needs to go through that. Kylo's agility bag that I need to unpack and then repack, and then 2 trash bags. My side, we didn't really get to, but it's mostly just needs vacuumed out. But I do want to wipe this down. My daylight is fading quickly. I'm using my sister's multi-purpose cleaner. I bought wipes for the car specifically, and then I forgot it. I don't think I've ever been this close and personal with my car. I turned my flash on because it's much darker out than I had anticipated it to be. But I'm gonna clean this. Anyone else feel like I'm spraying too much spray? Yeah, me too, don't worry. I'm on the same page with you. It's just so dusty up here, my gosh. Why are there so many nooks and crannies that can be so dusty in here? Look at how gross that is. Ew. Oy vey. No, I can't see anything. I've got my flash on. Alright friends, I'm officially out of light. I can't do any more cleaning tonight. I'm just going to take the trash to my sister's trash. I'll put the donate in the back and the 2 bags that need to go in the house in the back. And I will take them in tonight. They will not sit in my car. I will take them in tonight. That is what I'm telling myself. So I will either see you for a part 2 on this video, or I will see you in a few seconds, depending on how long it is and what I decide to do. Okay, I'll see you when I see you.